Welcome to this explainer. You know, the foreign exchange market, or Forex, is this incredibly volatile, fast-paced space, but it's also entirely navigatable. You just need to know exactly what you're doing and have the absolute best tools right at your fingertips. Okay, let's dive into this. Today, we are going through the ultimate survival guide for tracking live exchange rates, and I am seriously so excited to break this all down for you.
Let's start with a really crucial question, one that, honestly, every single trader has to ask themselves. How fast can currency values actually shift? Well, the answer is in the absolute blink of an eye. Literally. Global currency values do not wait for anyone. They fluctuate constantly, and that can completely alter the stakes of your investments minute by minute, heck, sometimes second by second.
Because the thing is, the live Forex market is just highly volatile, with currency values shifting rapidly due to global economic events. In this space, uninformed trades get wiped out instantly. You've got political developments and central bank decisions constantly impacting rates all over the globe. Basically, if you aren't dialed into a live feed, you are effectively trading blindfolded.
To make sure you definitely don't trade blindfolded, here is our roadmap for today. 1. The volatile Forex market. 2. Why live tracking matters. 3. Decoding live currency charts. 4. Real-time tracking tools. And 5. Top Forex trading brokers. We're going to cover the what, the why, the data, and the exact tools you need.
All right, Section 1, the volatile Forex market, navigating lightning-fast shifts in currency.
So, what actually drives all this volatility? Well, it comes down to a few core triggers: global economic events, political developments, central bank decisions, and sudden market fluctuations. Any single one of these can cause currencies to shift instantly. Like, imagine a sudden policy change from a central bank. Boom, currency rates worldwide are immediately affected. The ground is quite literally shifting beneath your feet, so standing still is simply not an option.
Which brings us to Section 2, why live tracking matters. This is your ultimate shield in a chaotic market.
For us, a foreign exchange rate live feed isn't just basic data. It's real-time data essential for Forex traders, providing constantly updated currency values to inform immediate, strategic decisions. I cannot stress this enough. Accuracy is the absolute bedrock of successful Forex trading. Having precise rates live ensures you're making moves based on the most reliable, up-to-the-second understanding of those currency pairs. And constant monitoring doesn't just give you access to real-time updates and exact prices, it translates directly into minimized risk against shifting trends and pinpoint strategic timing for maximum profit. By keeping a finger on the pulse of the market, you empower yourself to make drastically better decisions. You can react immediately to the unexpected, understand how short-term movements play into long-term trends, and time your trades perfectly.
Let's slow it down a bit for Section 3, decoding live currency charts. It's time to translate those abstract concepts into actionable data. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how tracking the bid, ask, high, low, and percentage changes across major pairs, like the EUR-USD at the top there, or the USD-JPY right below it, helps you spot vital patterns instantly. A setup like this provides a clear, super easy-to-read format showing historical and real-time data all at once. By following this exact data structure, you can pinpoint the exact moment a trend shifts and capitalize on it without second-guessing your entry points. All right, jumping into Section 4, real-time tracking tools. This is all about properly equipping yourself for the market. So how do you actually get this data? Well, you can track pair movements seamlessly on heavy-duty Forex trading platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5. You can also cross-check things on dedicated Forex broker websites like foreignexchange.live or XNES. Now, when you're on the move, mobile Forex apps like TradingView and IC Markets are incredibly convenient for keeping an eye on rates, especially with customizable push alerts. And if you just need a quick baseline, standard currency converter tools give you free, real-time translations instantly. It's really all about building an ecosystem of sources you can easily cross-reference. A quick side note here. While these live tools act as your real-time shield, you definitely need to build out your underlying strategy too. Combining live tracking with historical data analysis and diving into specific strategy books will massively solidify your trading foundation. Titles like the Forex Trading Beginner's Guide, Forex Trading for Beginners, the Forex Training Guide, and Forex and Swing Trading for Beginners are highly recommended for understanding the core systems that top traders rely on every day.
And finally, Section 5, top Forex trading brokers. These are the trusted platforms you'll use to actually execute your strategy.
When it comes to executing, Exness boasts a really strong 4.5 out of 5.0 rating, and for good reason. It is an absolutely excellent entry point for all levels of traders. It seamlessly combines a very user-friendly interface with fast, global execution. They're super well known in the industry for low spreads, fast withdrawals, and highly flexible trade options globally. So you know your trades are going through exactly when you need them to. Now, if you're an active trader or a scalper who needs that split-second action, check out IC Markets. Securing an impressive 4.7 rating, they provide a professional environment tailored precisely for ultra-fast execution. It's ideal if you thrive on immediate market alerts, offering remarkably tight trading spreads on their advanced platforms, which means you aren't losing your margins on execution speed.
Next up, for those looking for top-tier support, there's AvaTrade. This 5-star award-winning broker bridges the gap beautifully for both beginners and experts. It features incredibly strong regulatory support, giving you total peace of mind, alongside a huge variety of top-notch platforms. It is just the perfect blend of security and advanced functionality.
Rounding out our heavy hitters is Forex. Their massive appeal lies in seamless trading, backed by up to 1 to 2,000 leverage and incredibly low spreads. Holding a stellar 4.8 rating, they deliver extremely fast order execution combined with the immense safety net of 24/7 customer support. That basically ensures no matter what time zone your targeted currency is moving in, you are fully covered.
Which brings us to a final, really provocative thought to leave you with. In a market that quite literally never sleeps, is your data fast enough to keep up? Staying ahead of market shifts with accurate, timely data is your ultimate edge in the highly competitive Forex arena. Using the resources, strategies, and trusted brokers we've explored today ensures you can protect your investments and seize those profitable opportunities. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and hey, keep your eyes on those live feeds.